Ready to begin trading the future yield of your assets like Atom, TIA, Osmo, and more? Then welcome to Pryzm. Today, we'll show you how to install a wallet, connect it to Pryzm, and make your first swap or post-trade order. Along the way, we'll introduce Pryzm's core features like super staking and instant yield that help you optimize your yields and earn you rewards. Pryzm's unique tools let you turn future staking rewards into tradable tokens. By tokenizing yield, you can potentially earn more over time. First, you'll need a Cosmo-compatible crypto wallet like Kepler or Leap, which are browser extensions. Follow the instructions to install the wallet into your browser. Create a new wallet account and carefully save your seed phrase in a safe place. Once installed, make sure your wallet is unlocked in the browser before proceeding. Now let's connect your wallet to Pryzm. Open a browser and go to the Pryzm web app at app.pryzm.zone. Then click the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear, so select Kepler or Leap from the list of wallets. Your wallet extension will ask you to approve the connection. Click Approve in Kepler or Leap to link your wallet. Once connected, your wallet name and balances should appear in the Pryzm app. Now that those things are set up, let's perform your first swap. Swapping gives you the power to instantly convert between a wide range of Cosmo-based assets, including base tokens, liquid staking tokens, yield tokens, and principal tokens, all through Pryzm's advanced automated market maker designed for yield optimization. With your wallet connected and some tokens in it like Atom, TIA, Injective, or more, you can make your first swap on Pryzm. Follow these steps. First, visit the swap page in the Pryzm app. Then click the swap button in the top menu. Now select tokens in the swap interface. Choose the asset you want to sell. In this example, Osmo, and the asset you want to buy, which in this example is Osmo. Then execute the trade by clicking the swap button and confirming the transaction in your wallet. Your browser will pop up Kepler or Leap asking you to sign. Approve it and the swap will be executed. Now let's try a post-trade order. Pryzm's post-trade feature lets you split a large swap into many smaller steps. This is great for reducing price impact on big trades. Think of it like a built-in dollar cost average. Instead of swapping 10 tokens at once, post-trade spreads the swap over time. For example, you could set up a post-trade to gradually convert 10 Osmo to Osmo over the next 10 hours. Pryzm will automatically trade a portion of your 10 Osmo every hour at the best available price. You can also set a max acceptable price, so the trade only executes if the price is favorable. Once you review and create the order, the app will handle each step. This powerful tool helps you manage volatile prices by breaking your swap into controlled segments. You can view your post trades by going to app.pryzm.zone/post-trade and selecting the My Trades tab, allowing you to see your orders. Before we wrap things up, here are two key features of Pryzm that you should know. Pryzm has a unique feature called super staking, a high reward staking option. When you stake a yield bearing token instead of the base token, you earn more rewards known as photons, which are currently available to stack and earn up to 5 million Pryzm. In super staking, you forgo the token's normal yield in exchange for a bigger photons bonus. This means you boost your photons reward on Pryzm by staking the assets in a special way. Pryzm also has instant yield. This feature lets you swap your future yield for immediate rewards. In other words, you can trade tokens representing your future staking yield for an instant photons bonus today. It's like selling tomorrow's yield in exchange for an upfront reward. This one-time swap gives you instant photons and helps maximize your earnings. All of these features help you optimize profits and manage risk, which is exactly Pryzm's goal. For more tutorials and updates on Pryzm, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips and strategies. Thanks for watching.